How to save or export video from Capcut to gallery. So simply open our Capcut and search for any video that we want to export. And then we'll simply click on that video, and then we can edit it or increase the quality of the video. And after that we'll see an option of export in the upper right corner. Then we will simply click on that option. We can even change the audios or anything that we like. Then we'll simply click on the export option, and after clicking on it we will get two options: save and share to TikTok or save to device. So we'll simply click on save to device, and our video from CapCut will be exported in our gallery. And after that we can share it to wherever we like Instagram and Facebook and any other social media. And yeah, you will be able to see that video in your gallery available. And that is how to save or export video from CapCut to your gallery.